Gazelle, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make macarons. The ingredients that we will be using today are desiccated coconut, eggs, condensed milk, butter, and sugar. Before we continue in our procedure, preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. And for the procedure, first, we're going to cream our butter. For the second procedure, we're going to add our eggs. And for the third procedure, we're going to add our sugar. And for the fourth procedure, we're going to add our condensed milk. The fifth and last ingredients that we are going to add is desiccated coconut. Mix it until well incorporated. Our butter is ready, and now we're going to put our butter in our baking pan using tablespoon. Our macarons is ready to bake, and I will put this inside our oven. And now we are going to wait for 30 minutes. We'll be back. Okay, I'm going to check our macarons if it's ready. And it's ready. And we're going to remove it from our oven. And this is our finished product, our macarons.